In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Workspace by phone. Navigating customer support can be challenging, but getting in touch with a real person at Google can make resolving your issues much more straightforward. So let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Google Workspace account and have access to your dashboard. Once you're there, start by looking for the help icon. It's usually represented by a circle with a question mark inside it. You might find it labeled as Get Help or Contact Support. Clicking this icon is your gateway to the support options available via Google Workspace. As soon as you click on that icon, you'll notice that Google's AI chat support will promptly pop up, ready to assist. Now, while this AI chatbot can resolve a lot of common questions and guide you through numerous solutions, your goal here is to speak with a live representative. So, when you're interacting with the chatbot, make sure to communicate exactly that. Simply type in that you wish to speak to an agent, and this will redirect the focus from automated responses to facilitating that personal connection you're looking for. Once you've expressed your desire to speak to a human agent, the AI will typically provide you with a series of options or additional information to guide you further. Pay close attention because usually you'll see a link appear among these resources. This link is crucial because when clicked, it opens a new tab or window. In this new tab, you'll find the contact number specifically tailored for reaching out to a Google Workspace support agent. It's important to remember that the details in this new window will include the specific contact number you'll need to dial. Make sure you're in a position to note it down accurately or have it readily accessible as you make your call. This step effectively bridges the initial automated support with personalized customer service, helping you connect with Google on a more personal level, allowing you to address your concerns thoroughly. And there you have it. A simple but effective guide to bypassing automated systems and actually getting a human on the line when you need assistance with Google Workspace. Remember, the key is to confidently navigate through their system until you reach the contact number. This way, you're not only saving time, but also ensuring that your issues are addressed by someone who can offer the personalized help that you need. I hope you found this guide helpful. And the next time you're stuck with a Google Workspace query, you'll navigate the support system like a pro. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments or check out our other videos.